Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a quick little spring summer haul that I got from Shein. I was supposed to do this weeks ago, but as you guys know, I had corona, and if you can hear excessive talking, my daughter is right here. I have some basic items that I'm going to be incorporating into my wardrobe for spring summer, and I also have some trendy pieces that are just for the spring summer items. So the first items, the basic items that I got to incorporate into my spring summer wardrobe is these one pieces. So this is how they look. They're just one piece material. These are actually double line and I absolutely love them. They definitely suck you in. I'm 190 pounds, my hips are 45, my waist is about 34, my bust is about 47, and I got these in a size large. I got it in white, I got it in pink. They say you wear a lot of pink when you're fixing your heart chakra. I've been buying a whole bunch of pink items. I also think it's because of my daughter, and she has a whole lot of pink clothes, and sometimes I be wanting to match her. I got it in red. Red is my favorite color, and I can't not get a nice red color. Also, pink and red is very much on trend. Bright bold colors are on trend for spring and summer. And then I got this nice dusty blue color. I feel like this would go amazing with like black jeans or light wash jeans or medium wash jeans. So I got this one. I'm gonna incorporate some more color into my wardrobe, which is why I picked up majority of colors. But if you are a black, white, gray type of girl, you can get those as basic items and you will be good. So, bodysuits are made of a more slinky material. I love the racer back cut. I love the racer back cut. I love the high neckline. I'm a girl that if I'm showing cleavage, I'm gonna be covering up my legs. If my cleavage is covered, I'm gonna be exposing my legs, so I love the high neckline. Another bodysuit I got are these ones right here, and I got it in gray. As you can see, I got it in this nude color, and I got it in black. And these are definitely more of a cotton material. They're super comfortable, but I will say these are going to suck you in. I got these in large also. These are also another staple, another basic that I love. So let's get into the tops. So these are another basic I got. I got these because of watching TikTok videos. I actually seen a TikTok girlie saying these are a dupe for the Skims one, and I got them in blue, pink, and black. And these are the colors I got. I actually got these in large, and I will say these are made from a slinky materials just like the bodysuits are. If you're looking for something to tuck into your high-waisted jeans, high-waisted shorts, or anything that's going to be bunching up at your waist or have a whole bunch of fabric hanging down that you have to tuck away in your jeans, these are great alternatives. I will say if you have a bit of belly, these are definitely going to slide up because of the slinky material, so be careful when buying that and be mindful of that when wearing these or attempting to get these. These are definitely going to slide up if you have a little bit more fluff in the midsection. This top that I have on is from Shein. I feel like this is going to look great with some high-waisted jeans, shorts for the spring summer, or some high-waisted pants, whichever one. And then I got this orange top. If you guys didn't know, orange is very much in for spring summer, and I love the details on the boob area. I feel like this is nice, but you can still probably get away with wearing a bra, which is why I got it. Hopefully I can. I'm also gonna try a lot of these on so you can see how they look on me. So I think this is cute. So I got a 2-piece set in the Palisade fabric. The Palisade fabric is also very trendy, and everyone wants Palisade 2-piece. So I got it in this green color. It's just like a nice little crop top, and the pants, I will say I don't like the straps on this top. I feel like the straps are a little bit flimsy for me, and if you're bustier or bustier on top and you need support, I feel like those straps kind of slip and slide, and they don't really stay into place how I would love them to. So be careful with that also, but I love the style. Let's see, hubby text me. The same pants in a different color, and this is in a size large. I think the green one is in a medium, and I wish I had stick to and gotten a medium in this pants also, because I feel like these Palisade pants runs big. So definitely size down if you're getting this Palisade pants. I feel like the medium fits better. I got 2 of these button down Palisade tops. These are sheer materials, and I feel like these are going to replace like button down shirts for spring summer, because they're light and they're not going to make you hot, but you can still throw it on over a maxi dress, you can throw it on over a mini dress, you can throw it on over a short. And sorry, the light is going in and out because the sun is going in and out. You can throw it on over anything, and it's gonna give you some coverage. If you normally wear button-down shirts, I feel like this is the perfect alternative because it's light and airy, and it gives the same look. I feel like it's a little bit elevated just because of the Palisade material. And another thing that I love is this part. The hand part have some little ties that you can tie around your wrist, and it's super cute, gives it a extra detail. Absolutely love these, and I feel like these are going to be a staple in my wardrobe for spring and summer. So I also got some sweats. This wouldn't be a Shakira haul if your girl didn't feature some sweats. I love me a good sweatpants, and I love me a good sweat shorts, and I love to wear my sweat shorts during the summer and springtime. So I got this one in gray. I also got another one in black, which I will feature. And this is in the size large. I definitely could have sized down and gotten a medium, but I was scared that the thigh area is gonna be too tight. And when I'm getting sweat shorts, I don't like the thigh area to be too tight. But as I'm losing weight, I know now that I'm no longer a large. I'm definitely a medium in all of my clothing, and I need to keep reminding myself of that. I keep thinking that I'm still a large. And then I got me some long wide leg pants. If you know your girl, you know your girl love these wide leg sweatpants. So I got it in brown, I got it in this dusty blue color, and I got it in black. And if you see my other Shein haul from last year, I had it in some other colors also. I'm finishing out my collection. I love these wide leg sweatpants because I feel like you can definitely elevate them. You can make them dressy, you can make them casual. They are just a great all around sweatpants, and I feel like there's something different than a regular scrunch ankle, tight ankle sweatpants. I feel like they look a little bit more elevated. I got 3 maxi dress, and this is the first one. So this is in the size medium. I don't know what I was thinking. This is kind of like a satin material, and normally when I get satin material dresses, I always go a size up, but I got this in a medium because the back looks stretchy, but this is the portion that is tight on me. Everything else fits amazing, but the back portion is tight. As I lose weight, I feel like it will be more comfortable, but I'm definitely going to wear it even though it's tight. Definitely finna bust it out. These 2 maxi dresses, they come with a split at the bottom, which I love. I love the cutout detail at the chest here. I love this cutout detail. I got it in pink, and I also got it in green. These are super sexy. When I actually put on the pink one today, my husband's mouth dropped. So needless to say, these are for the girls. I would definitely suggest going down 2 sizes. I actually got these in a medium, and I wish I had gotten them in a small. And the reason why I wish I gotten them in a small is because this area where my boobs is not really tight enough for me. I feel like my girls kind of slipping and sliding out, but this is made from a stretchy material, so definitely size down in this. I definitely could have gotten away with a small and I would have been fine, but I'm probably just going to sew this area up more so my girls are not being exposed, especially my nipple area, and we should be Gucci. So that is my Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.